Hi friends, welcome to Data Circle. Previously we saw how to install MySQL in our system. If you haven't already installed the MySQL in your system, I have put the link of that video in the description below. Today we're gonna see how to load the database into MySQL. So for this, I have used IMDb database. As we all know, IMDb is owned by Amazon and has the details of movies and other related information. For example, the information about the release date of the movie, cast and crews, directors, movie reviews, ratings. So that's a very rich database. So we'll be using IMDb database. Okay. I also have provided the link to the IMDb database Google Drive link in the description below, where you can also download and you can follow the steps that I'll be doing here. Okay, so without wasting time, let us go and proceed how to load the database into MySQL. So because we already have installed that, just go to your search bar and search for MySQL 8.0 command line client. Okay, so click on here. It will be asking for the password. Remember, when you install or you have when you have installed MySQL, you have set up your root password. The same password you need to write here. So just enter the password. Okay, so next is, till now I haven't created any database. So first thing is that I have to create a database. So for that we have a command, create database. And what is the name of the database? Let's say IMDb itself. Mm, give it a small letter. Okay, so here create and database both are reserved word in SQL. If you don't know what is a reserved word, what is data types, don't worry about this right now. Just follow what I am saying to you, follow the steps that I am showing to you. Okay, and hit enter. It says query okay. So now next step is to use this database, right? So in order to use this, we have another keyword that we're going to use, that is use and IMDb. Okay, again hit enter. Now it says database changed. Now second, yes, the more important thing is that when you download the when you download the IMDb database, put it in a folder where you can remember where that folder is situated, right? For example, you can see I have kept this IMDb file here in this PC data D SQL MySQL and in IMDb folder. Okay, so I'll copy it from here and it's asking here, so I'll have to give the source. So for that, the computer must know that whatever I'm giving is a source. So there is another keyword, source. And remember, up to IMDb was my folder, but imdb.sql was the file which is not included when I copied the location, right? So you have to give this imdb.sql from your side, right? So follow the steps that I have shown to you. And okay, now press hint enter. Now this gonna take time because it will load all the database into MySQL, right? So the time taken is totally dependent on your system. The time taken is dependent on how many GBs of RAM you have got. W- do you have any like GPUs or so? Basically, it depends on your system configuration. So have patience, let it run, and hopefully it will get completed. I can't give you the time right now, but just have patience. That's what I can say right now, because I don't want to quantify this. Because this totally depends on the system you have. So just the key is to have patience. I think that is all for today's video. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you have any query related to loading data base into your MySQL, or about installing MySQL, you can put that into the comment section below. And guys, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.